You will learn that in programming you have to do things step by step. And so, in the case of integer, so whole numbers, there have been created special operators. Incrementation and decrementation. In other words, augmenting and subtracting by 1. Both operators exist in two versions. Post increment decrement, transcription x++ to augment or x to decrease, and pre-increment decrement. We write it as ++x to augment or -x to decrease, where x means any given whole number variable. Let's get on to an example to understand the difference between the two versions. Let's run the program and look through the different effects of the operators. We declared and initiated the variable x with the value 1. We display the variable and then we augment it by 1, meaning we use the post incrementation. And so we see 1 on display. We display the variable once more and we can see now that it was augmented to 2. Next, we increment once again, but this time using the pre-incrementation. The value is augmented and only then is displayed. The number displayed is 3. To confirm, we can display the variable once more and it fits, in fact, augmented to